Exercise number 76, ready, start. The alleged motive for attacking Professor Jacob was that he incorporated a question for the internal examination of BCom paper criticizing Prophet Muhammad and Islam staff. The prosecution case is that the respondent gave medical aid to one of the wounded accused in pursuance of a previous plan that if and when any of the assailants got injured in the attack on Professor Jacob, then immediate medical treatment would be given by the respondent to the injured staff. The respondent stitched the back of an assailant, which is not the job of a dentist staff. The respondent, along with the other accused, is a member of the Popular Front of India, a Muslim organization, and was head of its medical committee staff. Certain documents, CDs, mobile phone, books, etc., including a book called Jihad, were allegedly seized from his house and car. Stop paragraph. The prosecution has placed reliance on the proviso to section 43D within bracket 5 of the unlawful activities within bracket Prevention Act 1967, which states that the accused shall not be released on bail if the court, on perusal of the case diary or the report under section 173 CRPC, is of the opinion that there are reasonable grounds for believing that the accusation against such person is prima facie true. Full stop para. On the other hand, the case of the respondent as disclosed in the counter affidavit filed before us is that even according to the prosecution case, the respondent was not one of the assailants and he is not named in the FIR staff. In para 13 of the counter affidavit, the respondent has stated that the attack on Professor Jacob is a crime which is to be condemned. Staff. However, as a pretext to the investigation, the police had lashed out a reign of terror on innocent people of the minority community, people who are totally innocent or even had no knowledge of the crime which have been falsely implicated. Staff. 54 persons have been made accused in the crime. Staff. Many residential houses, mosques and offices were raided and searched, and even minor children and women were cruelly tortured both physically and mentally. Staff. Holy books and other religious books were thrown out, seized and taken away and bundled in police stations. Staff. War-like atmosphere was created in mosques. Daily prayers were disrupted and men illegally detained and physically tortured in custody, and false cases booked against innocents. Staff.